Welcome to my channel. So recently I got this from the firm. So let us look कि क्या है इसमें. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me Anmol. So recently I got this from the firm. So now let us look कि क्या है इसमें. Anything more? Okay. So it's smart keyboard. So this is the smart keyboard, and now let us unbox the iPad. Unboxing experience of opening an iPhone or iPad is very good. Like it's packaged in a very good manner. So like I was having this option of choosing between 11 inches and 12.9 inches, but I choose the 12.9 inches one because of like there are a couple of reasons. First one is this display is better in 12.9 inches as far as I know. And also like bigger screen, and I was already having this 11 inches, so there was no point of getting this 11 inches one. And like they were also expected to ship the pencil, but due to some reasons like it got delayed. So yeah, so I'll be using my pencil from my. So this is this. So it's quite big and screen is very good. Like iPad की तो होती ही बड़ी है. Also this smart keyboard is the keys are very tactile. And apart from it, like writing experience तो बढ़िया होता ही है, and the graphics and the sound from the iPad is also very good. So yeah, that was it. And these are some of the perks of working in a corporate. So I'll set this up. And also like I was having this 11 inches one before, so the major differences of like of the screen, and apart from it like the screen is the major concern to me because I used to teach using iPad, so bigger